Welcome Shemstars. Welcome to the mathematics class. We will continue with lesson 16 mensuration. Today we will do exercise 16.1 question number 11 to question number 15. Let us start with question number 11. The dimensions of a photograph is 25 centimeter into 12 centimeter. What length of wooden frame is needed to frame the picture? Now students, dimensions of a photograph are given 25 centimeter into 12 centimeter. That is, length is given 25 centimeter and breadth is given 12 centimeter. Now the question is the length of wooden frame needed to frame the picture. It means we have to find out the perimeter of the frame. That is, the length of wooden frame means we have to find out the perimeter. And students, you know the formula for perimeter. It is 2 into L plus B. Length is here 25 and breadth is here 12. So 25 into 12 is 37 and 2 into 37 is 74 centimeter. Hence, the length of wooden frame needed is 74 centimeters. Question number 12. The length of rectangular field is 82 meters. Perimeter is 248. What is its breadth? Length is 82 meters. Perimeter is 248 meters and we have to find out breadth. Let the breadth be B. Now we know the formula for the perimeter of rectangle, which is 2 into L plus B. Here perimeter is given 248 and here length is given 82. We have to find out breadth. Now students, what I will do is I will shift all the numbers here to here. Just I will leave B here, rest all the numbers I will shift from RHS to LHS. And whenever we shift a number from RHS to LHS or from LHS to RHS, the sign is changed. So first of all I will bring this 2 from here to here. Here 2 is having the multiply sign. Here no sign is there, means the multiply sign is there. So a bracket means multiply only. So now when it will come here, it will become divide. So it will become here divide. So it is 1, 2, 4 is equal to 82 plus B. Now what I will do is I will bring this 82 here. Here 82 is having the plus sign. So now when it will come here, it will become minus. So 124 minus 82 is B. So now B is 42. So breadth of a rectangular field is 42 meters. Students, question number 13, you will do it yourself. Let us do question number 14. Fencing the compound of a house costs rupees 4930. If the rate is rupees 85 per meter, find the perimeter of the compound. If the breadth is 10 centimeter, find the length. See students, here total cost of fencing is given rupees 4930 and 1 meter. It is given rate of fencing is given rupees 85 per meter. That is, for 1 meter it is given rupees 85. Total cost of painting means for the whole perimeter. For the whole perimeter it is given 4930, means perimeter into rupees 85 will give you the total cost, that is rupees 4930. So my first step is to find out the perimeter. So from here I will find out the perimeter. So perimeter is 4930 by 85, which will give you 58. So perimeter of the house is rupees 58. Now the second step is we have to find out the length, and breadth is given. Breadth is given 10 meters and we have to find out the length. We know the formula for perimeter. It is 2 into L plus B. Here perimeter I have found out, it is 58. Here 2, length I have to find out, and breadth is 10. Now here again we will shift all the numbers from RHS to LHS. We will just keep the number that we have to find out. That is, length I will keep here, rest all the numbers I will shift. First of all I will shift this 2. Here it is having the multiply sign. So when it will come to the LHS, it will become divide. So here 48 divided by 2 is 29. Now I'll bring this 10 here. Here it is having plus sign. So when it will shift, it will become minus. So L is equal to 19. So my perimeter is 58 and length is 19 meters. Now students, 15th question, the last question. The side of a square is 6 meter. See, this is a square. Here the figure is given. This is the figure. Here this is a square. In this, the one side is given 6 meter. Two triangles are drawn as shown in the figure. Here with this square, there are two triangles are drawn. These two triangles are equilateral triangles. Means all the sides of the triangles are equal. And now we have to find out the perimeter of this figure. See students, this is a square. It means all the sides are equal. It means here the one side is given 6 centimeter. It means all the four sides are of 6 centimeter. And then it is given, it is an equilateral triangle. It means all the sides are also equal. So if one side is 6 centimeter, it means all the sides are also 6 centimeter. Now we have to find out the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter means just sum of all the sides. That is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That is 6 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which means 36. So the perimeter of the given figure is 36 centimeters. Now students, you will complete exercise 16.1. Thank you Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom.